Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a job offer letter in the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened the Google Docs apps on my phone, and you can start by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Then here click on the choose template option. Choose template. And then just find the job offer letter template here. Scroll down and find it in the under the human resources section. This one, the job offer letter. So click on that. Just wait until the template is opened. Okay, so here there is also instruction on how you can create the job offer letter, and here the template is on the next page. This one, you can add your company logo, add the date, the current date. This you don't need to change this part, and here add the name of the employee. For example, dear Nathan. Okay, on behalf of, type in your company's name here. I am pleased to offer you employment with the company name again, and then the position title here. And here type in or insert the starting date when he or she can start the work. And here you can also add the manager's name. Okay, so the things that you need to change is on under the square bracket here, so you need to read it carefully. And after that, after you're done, just click on the check icon, so the job offer letter will be saved and you can share it to the employee. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.